Did you know that bathing every day after 70 could actually harm your health instead of helping it? While most people believe daily showers are necessary, doctors warn that seniors need a very different approach. Aging skin, fragile bones, and reduced mobility change the way the body responds to frequent bathing. What was once a healthy habit may now cause more problems than it solves. Here are 7 surprising facts that reveal how often seniors should really take a bath and why less might be more. Number 1, daily bathing isn't always necessary. After 70, the body produces less sweat and oil, which means it doesn't get dirty as quickly as it once did. Seniors usually don't need to shower every day, and many experts recommend bathing only 2 to 3 times a week. Overdoing it can strip away essential skin oils, making seniors feel more uncomfortable instead of clean. Number 2, frequent bathing can damage senior skin. Aging skin becomes thinner and more delicate. Daily hot showers or harsh soaps can cause dryness, itchiness, and even cracks in the skin. These tiny cracks can lead to painful infections. Seniors benefit more from gentle, less frequent baths, followed by a good moisturizer to lock in hydration. Number 3, too much bathing increases fall risks. The bathroom is one of the most dangerous places for seniors. Wet floors, slippery tubs, and reduced balance all raise the chance of falls. Bathing less often while taking safety steps, like using grab bars and non-slip mats, greatly reduces these risks. Staying safe is just as important as staying clean. Number 4, overbathing can strip away healthy bacteria. Not all bacteria are harmful. The skin has natural, healthy bacteria that protect against rashes and infections. Bathing too often with antibacterial soaps removes this protective layer, making seniors more vulnerable. Choosing mild, fragrance-free cleansers helps maintain this natural defense system. Number 5, bathing less often helps prevent dry scalp and hair loss. Seniors often notice their hair becoming thinner and more fragile. Washing hair every day strips away natural oils, leaving the scalp dry and the hair weaker. For those over 70, shampooing once or twice a week is usually enough to keep the scalp healthy and the hair stronger. Number 6, personal hygiene can be maintained without daily showers. One of the biggest misconceptions about bathing is that fewer showers automatically mean poor hygiene. For seniors, that simply isn't true. While a full shower or bath 2 to 3 times a week is usually enough, everyday freshness can still be maintained through simple routines. A daily sponge bath using a warm cloth or wipes to clean the face, underarms, groin, and feet keeps odor under control and prevents bacteria buildup in sensitive areas. This method is quick, safe, and less tiring than stepping into the shower. Number 7, bathing frequency should depend on health and mobility. There is no one-size-fits-all answer to how often seniors should bathe after 70, because every individual has unique health conditions and lifestyle needs. For seniors dealing with incontinence or medical issues such as dementia, skin infections, or limited bladder control, more frequent cleaning may be necessary to prevent irritation and odors. In such cases, gentle cleansers and regular sponge baths between full showers can help maintain comfort without damaging the skin. On the other hand, seniors who are less active and spend much of their time indoors may only need 1 or 2 full baths per week. Final thoughts? After 70 bathing, every day isn't always the best option. In fact, it can cause more harm than good by drying out the skin, increasing fall risks, and disrupting the body's natural balance. A safer and healthier routine is bathing 2 to 3 times a week while keeping up with daily hygiene practices. Seniors should focus on comfort, safety, and skin health rather than rigid bathing schedules. Aging gracefully means adjusting old habits to suit new needs, and sometimes that means bathing less often.